Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'll be making you some stewed chicken. Please continue to watch. Look how beautiful that is. I made it with potatoes because my kids love potatoes. First I brown it with coconut oil because that's what's best for you. And then I burned it with just a tip of sugar because I don't want nothing sweet. And that's how you get your browning. Look how beautiful that is. Enjoy, guys.